See on your screen says Lok Sabha has been adjourned till 2 p.m. amid ongoing opposition says ruckus and disruption. Obviously, we've seen this thing going on for quite some time, that every day Lok Sabha or the Sansad in itself has been adjourned amid ongoing ruckus. And the opposition has been demanding answers from the centre in terms of the July 20 Jantar Mantar protest, police action. And we've earlier even seen that there was also the NDA MPs versus the opposition, where both the sides have been demanding answers from their sides. NDA MPs have been demanding answers in terms of the Jharkhand protest. On the other hand, we have seen that the opposition has been raising questions, not just the fact that the July 20 Jantar Mantar protest and the police action pertaining to that, but also when we talk about the Ram Mandir donation row, as well as other issues pertaining to when we talk about the protests that are taking place within this Parliament Annex building as well. We've seen the Samajwadi Party has been staging protests. We have seen even Congress has been staging protests. Not just that, even the NDA MPs have been staging protests as well within the Parliament building as well. Now, what we're getting to know, my colleague Manohar Keshri has joined me on the telecast. Manohar, again, we have seen that Lok Sabha has been adjourned till 2 p.m. amid the opposition's sloganeering as well as the ruckus that was created. What exactly are you getting to know in terms of that?
देखिए बिल्कुल अगर आप देखेंगे तो मानसून सेशन का सिर्फ 2 ही दिन बचा हुआ है। उस 2 दिन में आज जब लोकसभा की शुरुआत हुई, उससे पहले सदन के बाहर और सदन के अंदर लगातार जो है अपोजिशंस की ओर से हंगामा करते नजर आए। अपोजिशंस में कांग्रेस, समाजवादी पार्टी और दूसरी पार्टियों ने जहां अमित शाह के जवाब की मांग कर रहे थे, वहीं समाजवादी पार्टी चंदा चोरी को लेकर के चर्चा की मांग कर रहे थे। लगातार हंगामे की वजह से आज भी लोकसभा 2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित हो गया। और कुछ ऐसे सांसद हैं जो ये कह रहे हैं कि इसकी वजह से जो है जो जनता के इशू हैं, वो जनता के इशू वो नहीं उठा पा रहे हैं। और लगातार जो है जो आम जनता के पैसे हैं वो हंगामे की भेंट चल रहा है। जी।
And Manohar, stay on with me. I have more updates that are coming in.